Planning for the 2026 NPTE-PTA. Let's break down the official FSBPT content outline into a practical study plan. The National Physical Therapy Examination for Physical Therapist Assistants, or NPTE-PTA, is a 4-hour exam. It consists of 180 multiple-choice questions divided into 4 sections of 45 items each. However, only 140 of these questions are scored. The other 40 are unscored pre-test items that you won't be able to identify, so it's critical to answer every single question. The passing standard is a scaled score of 600 on a scale that runs from 200 to 800. The official FSBPT outline, which is current for all 2026 exams, organizes content in 2 main layers. The first layer is body systems. This includes major areas like musculoskeletal and cardiovascular, but also smaller systems like integumentary and lymphatic. The second layer covers non-system categories. These are crucial practice areas like equipment and devices, therapeutic modalities, safety, professional responsibilities, and research. Understanding how these 2 layers work together is the first step to building an effective study schedule. Not all body systems are weighted equally. Musculoskeletal is the largest published range, at 31 to 40 scored items. Neuromuscular and nervous follows at 27 to 35, and cardiovascular and pulmonary at 20 to 27. These are individual ranges for valid exam forms, not 3 fixed quotas. Do not add their endpoints to predict a combined count on your exam. Use the ranges for broad planning. Give these systems early, repeated review while still covering every category. Beyond topics, the exam tests 3 core PTA task categories across all body systems. First is physical therapy data collection, which covers how a PTA uses tests and measures. Second is diseases and conditions, focusing on how they impact the safe implementation of care. The largest task category is interventions, which includes carrying out treatments, monitoring patient responses, and identifying complications. These ranges show that the exam is less about simple recall and more about applying knowledge within your professional role. The 5 non-system categories remain significant. Equipment, devices, and technologies has 8 to 10 scored items. Safety and protection has 6 to 8. Therapeutic modalities, 5 to 7. Professional responsibilities, 2 to 4. And research and evidence-based practice, 1 to 3. These are individual ranges, not a promised combined total for one form. Practice them inside clinical decisions, because non-system knowledge can be integrated into scenario questions rather than appearing as isolated vocabulary. To turn these ranges into a study plan, start with content weight. For every 10 review blocks, you might assign 3 to musculoskeletal, 2 to neuromuscular and nervous, 1.5 to cardiovascular and pulmonary, 2 to the combined non-system categories, and 1.5 to smaller systems and interactions. This allocation is an open exam prep editorial starting point, not an FSBPT rule or official exam weighting formula. Use a diagnostic exam to find weak areas, then adjust the plan as your results change. Now that you understand the blueprint, it's time to practice. Visit openexamprep.com to use our free NPTE-PTA practice questions, sorted by the same domains we just covered. You can test your knowledge, read detailed answer explanations, and use our AI tutor to understand any mistakes. Build your confidence with our study guides and flashcards. Click the link in the description to start preparing with resources built directly from the official content outline.